How to turn off auto reconnect downloads on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to UC browser, this is the home page. Now go down here, click on those three lines. Now click on the settings option. Now on this page choose download settings, click on it, and here you will find auto reconnect. As you can see, all what you have to do is click on it like this and it's disabled successfully. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.